She walks to school every day. He plays football in the evening. They read books in the library. I drink coffee every morning. We go to the gym on weekends. The sun rises in the east. My brother drives a red car. The cat sleeps on the sofa. She teaches English at the school. He watches TV after dinner. The store opens at 9 a.m. Birds fly in the sky. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. I like to listen to music. He always speaks politely. They eat lunch at noon. We play tennis on Sundays. The bus stops at every corner. I wake up early every day. She cooks delicious meals. He cleans his room regularly. They study together in the evening. I write emails every morning. We go shopping on Fridays. The baby cries loudly. The dog barks at strangers. She wears a blue dress. He drinks tea in the morning. They walk in the park. I read newspapers every day. We visit our grandparents weekly. The teacher explains the lesson. She paints beautiful pictures. He sings very well. They play cricket after school. I listen to the radio. We help our neighbors often. The train arrives at 5 p.m. She opens the window. He closes the door quietly.